In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to see your iPhone's location history. If you've enabled significant location feature on your iPhone, it keeps track of the places you visit frequently and provides you with information about these locations. And here's how to check them. Tap on the Settings app icon on your iPhone's home screen. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Next, tap on Location Services to access the settings related to your device's location. Scroll down at the bottom of the Location Services page and tap on System Services. Among the various system services listed, look for significant locations. In some versions of iOS, it might be labeled as frequent locations. Tap on it to proceed. You will be prompted to authenticate using Face ID or Touch ID. And once authenticated, you'll see a list of significant locations that your iPhone has tracked, along with corresponding names and dates. If you no longer want Apple to track your significant locations, you can toggle off the Significant Locations feature on the screen. This action will prevent your iPhone from tracking and storing your location history. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.